Evaluate parentheses 7 times 9, close parentheses, divided by parentheses 10 divided by 10, close parentheses. Whenever you're being asked to evaluate a numerical expression with a bunch of operations, parentheses, numbers, you are going to use the order of operations. And a way to remember the order of operations is this word right here, PEMDAS. Now, what PEMDAS stands for is the P is do everything inside parentheses first. Then deal with exponents if you have any. Then M and D means you multiply, divide, left to right. Now that doesn't mean you multiply first or divide second. That means you just scan left to right, and if you have a multiplication problem or a division problem first, you do whatever it is left to right. The A and the S is the exact same thing, where it's add or subtract left to right. Doesn't mean you always add first. So let's take a look at what we have. I actually have two sets of parentheses. So I'm going to do everything inside both sets of parentheses first. The first set of parentheses is 7 times 9, which is 63. And the second set of parentheses inside of that is 10 divided by 10, which is 1. Now all we have to do is drop down that division symbol. Everything inside the parentheses is done. I have no exponents, and really I only have one thing to worry about, and that's just division. So 63 divided by 1 is just 63. So I don't have to worry about adding or subtracting or anything else. Just had one operation to go. And whenever you have one operation to go, you do just that. And 63 is our answer.